Hey, what's up guys, my name is Hamad and welcome back to my YouTube channel Coding Bendy. So in this video we will see how to download and install Python on Windows 11. So for this purpose we just first of all we need to go to our browser and search here for Python, and after that you will see python.org, Python official website, and just move your cursor to download, and after that you will see a window option, and just move your cursor on the window, and here you will see Python like the test version, and you just need to simply click on this logo and it will automatically download the execution file in your system. So here is our execution file. So you just need to simply double click on the execution file and make sure you have selected add python.exe to path. So if you don't have select this, you just need to add path manually, but make sure you have selected add python.exe to the path, and after that you just need to click on install now, and here simply click yes, and it will take a little bit time to install the Python on your system, and we just wait for a while. And after successfully installation you will see a setup was successful screen, and you just need to close this window and open the CMD, and in CMD make sure you have installed Python. For that purpose we just need to write Python hyphen version, and you will see the latest version of Python. And thanks for watching this video. I will meet you in next video.